What's going on, guys? Joe Malo here. Just want to make a quick video. I had quite a few people message me about why do I recommend having a CRM, and I want to go through that and answer that question for you. And for those that don't know what CRM is, it means customer relationship management. It's a tool to store your clients, very similar to what your dispute software already does for you, like Credit Repair Cloud. It stores your clients. But when you use a dispute software, especially when you're using Credit Repair Cloud, you're just limited to what you can do with it and all your automations. You're going to find that you can't do really anything. And so I recommend opening or using a CRM as kind of a front end tool. So basically brand new clients all the way up to when a client becomes a paid client, then we can push all that data and that information straight into the cloud or whatever dispute software you're using. The one that I know that integrates the best is Credit Repair Cloud with Zapier. Zapier is one of the largest automation tools that you can use. And so I do recommend storing all your clients. And number one, it's going to save you money because I know with Credit Repair Cloud, you have to pay per amount of clients that you're using. And so it can get expensive, especially whenever you're just storing clients that are inquiring about your services and they haven't even paid you $1. And so you're storing all these clients in the cloud that honestly shouldn't be in there. And the way I look at it, if I use it as a back-end tool, all the clients that are in the cloud are clients that I'm going to do my disputes for. They've already paid me. I'm going to do the disputes. It'll keep the clutter out. Plus, you'll find that you can do so much more whenever you use a CRM as your front-end tool. And they're not expensive. In a few of my videos, I showed you just to go to the apps tab. You can go to Zapier.com, click the app tab, and then go down to here, customer relationship management, and just click that. And it gives you all the ones that you can integrate. I use Pipedrive. It's what I'm familiar with. I've used it for a long time. That's the only reason you'll hear me say Pipedrive so much. I'm not affiliated with them. I'm not trying to sell you on them. You can use whoever you want, and we can help you with your automations no matter who you choose. I'm just very familiar with Pipedrive, okay? But the cool thing is you can see the list here. You may be already using one separate from your dispute software. So they're all here. Pick the one that you like. Mess around with it. Play with it. See what all the features are. Learn about it. With Pipedrive, I can just teach you more because I've used it and I'm familiar with it. But what I mean by it is you could do a lot more. And here's the example I'm going to give you. So when you create a Zap, especially with Credit Repair Cloud, it only allows you to do certain things, okay? And what I mean by that, let's just say you have a brand new client, okay? When you create the new client as a new lead or as a new lead, you can only make one automation right then. New client is when you put them in the system right now. Let's say I want to send them a text and email. After you do that, you're limited on what you can do to automate the client, okay? There's also update client or update lead. What that basically means, anytime any client or any lead is updated, it could be you putting their phone number in, it could be you're submitting their disputes. It will trigger as an updated client versus if you have them in a CRM, you could put them in a certain stage or a certain pipeline, and that's your trigger. So let's just say I have them in a pipeline that's a brand new client, right? And I want to move them into a pipeline credit reports, which basically means I'm going to send them a link to pull their credit reports. I can customize it, or if I click this button, or if I click, if I do this action in my CRM, you can customize how you want to automate that client versus this just gives you update client, which is just very generic, doesn't give you any type of additional actions that you can use to automate that client. And so it just doesn't really help your case, especially when you're really wanting to automate and start to build these automations. You're just going to be very, very limited. So I recommend, and you can sign up for a free trial on a lot of these CRMs just to try them out, but get familiar with one. Sign up. I'll help you customize. I'll build videos for you guys so you can build them, customize all the features and benefits on them. That's the biggest thing, is the difference between the Credit Repair Cloud per se and like Pipedrive is Credit Repair Cloud, you can't really customize anything. Whereas Pipedrive, you can create all different fields. You can put a field for what's the client's why. Why are they trying to get their credit fixed? And you can fill in that information. Have they used a credit repair company before? It's very important to get that information. You can have a field in there for that. You can just create all these customizations with Pipedrive, custom to your industry, which is credit repair. And it just makes it so much easier. So I just wanted to kind of clarify that in this video. I will make more videos on automation, but I just want everybody to get familiar with with a CRM, because it's going to be hard for you to use any of the content and things that I'm about to give out, especially in these videos, to use them to your advantage if you're really you're just limited by sticking with just one software. So Pipedrive's $12 a user. You can sign up for a free trial just to get familiar with it. If you don't like it, you can cancel and just try one of these other. There's just tons of them that you can use. And I'll help you customize them. We'll help build them. Like I said, I'm going to be using on a lot of these videos Pipedrive as my basis for my CRM, just because I'm familiar with it. That's the only reason I'm using it. So play around, find one that you like. The second best one that I actually like too, because there's a lot of customizations, is Zoho. That's another really, really good one that I've used in the past. So I may make a couple videos on that. But anyways, I just wanted to kind of clarify why I recommend having a dispute software and the CRM. So if you have any questions, please do me a favor. Please don't comment on the video. Please comment inside the Facebook group, Automate Your Business. Let me know, private message me. Let me know some of the things you want automated, and I'd be happy to start creating those videos for you so I can bring as much value and content to you. And if you have any questions or you're just flat out confused, that is totally okay. Just message me. I'll be happy to answer any of your questions. Thank you, and enjoy your day.